Here we go again. I kinda wanna be more than friends, so take it easy on me. I'm afraid you're never satisfied.
Who are you?
Here we go again.
Don't you see the family resemblance?
Animals we play pretend.
Jonathan.
You're just a cannibal.
In the flesh.
I'm afraid I won't get out alive.
Did you miss me?
No, I won't
I told you I did.
sleep tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you
Here you are.
waiting for? Take a bite of
You must have felt it too.
When I saw Jonathan last night, I couldn't call for help. I couldn't walk away. I couldn't do anything.
Don't worry, I won't bite.
And if I don't comply?
I'd expect this behavior from a proper Morgan Stan.
Not from you. So if you're not going to answer my questions, we're done. Have fun in the guard. If you come any closer, I will call the institute.
Shouldn't you have done that already? Or are you enjoying this conversation as much as I am?
You make me sick. You know that?
And yet, we're destined to be together.
I am a proper Morgan Stan. Just like my brother. After all. We are one.
We both can't fight it. It's us that made this mess. Why can't
This isn't destiny, Jonathan. It's a damn room.
Thought we were enjoying our time together. Clary! I love you more than anything in this world. Isn't that enough? Are you okay? Clary? You're trying to tear us apart, little sister. You were supposed to be my princess. Clary? Clary! Clary!